Well, so I wanted to go pick branches up in the grass here. They're kind of froze, believe it or not. Yep, they're froze. So I'm just gonna let them alone until it thaws out completely. So we're getting ready to put some ice melt on this road here. We need to put some grindings down. Actually, right in through here is where I would start. Because of it being such a shaded area, it never gets any sunlight to melt anything, so we kind of have to go about it ourselves. Yeah, right in through here is where we're just gonna be sprinkling them and kind of just making things happen here. Make that just a little bit wider. Oh, we're getting cocky now. Well, we're working them in. Who the heck needs an asphalt roller when you own a wheel loader? I mean, that worked that stuff in. I'm happy with it. No more slidey slide, hopefully. Well, now we're really getting... Oh, we're just dressing up our edge. Hopefully. Well, those asphalt grindings are just basically... When the grinder goes along the road, goes down the road and grinds out the old section of road, well, that is what you end up with here is asphalt grindings. So it's just a easy way to spread grindings with the wheel loader. A little bit of spinach right there, but that is to be expected. We just wanted to put a thin enough layer down that traffic wouldn't be spinning on the ice. Oh, heck yeah, he knows what he's doing. doing backing up this far, but hey, it is what it is. Well, it is what it is. He's gonna go put the loader away, and I'm gonna go start untarping that semi so we can start loading it. I can be helping him out. It's just somebody has to be here to watch that belt, because that thing jumps off the auger. So I says to Jason, I says, I told him, I says, thank you for, oh, we shouldn't go that way, for spreading grindings on that. And I was like, well, I'm like, don't worry, I didn't get you in the vid. He's like, I don't really, it's like, it's a fact of the matter. I'm like, I really don't care. Man, that tarp's kind of slow, but it is what it is. I hope it's got enough snuff. It should. Oh, getting tired. Oh. That's it. Okay. You guys see what I meant by how it kind of takes up a little bit of bed space. If it had a gap protector, would put that tarp out to about here or so, giving you that much more box space, because this here is hollow. Okay, you can put grain up against it, whereas with that tarp the way that it is kind of useless, because you can't get a full 900 bushel of corn or beans or whatever up against it, because of the way the darn tarp is. But it is what it is.